Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to move selections in Photoshop. So let's jump right in this video without wasting any second. So here if you want, let's say I have an image. Here, let's say this one here, and if you grab this photo you actually make a selection, and then if you want to move it, as you can see, is not moving at all. So it's not moving. Also we can click on select and mask here. Let's say we want that part as well, but it's not simply doing what we want, right? So if we add here selection, we use this tool now here, the move tool, to move it. Is moving the image or the selection. We want to deselection the image, or that part of the image is moving, but we want to move the selection. So in this case, what we have to do, press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now let's make a selection again, and of course let's say I would like to move this selection. Well, you don't have to, I didn't know this at first, you don't have to go here to the move tool. You can still use this tool, this rectangle, or this ellipse, to make selections. So you're still here, and then here if you see, you have this, when you move inside, you move your cursor inside the selection, you you have this icon, this you see there, this icon, a new icon appears, and if you see that icon, now you can move the selection. It's quite simple, but if you don't know, you don't know, and I didn't know, and I know that this can help some people. That's why I created this tutorial. So as you can see, is actually moving, and you can also right click, and then here you have this option, transform selection, and you can even transform the selection. That's super awesome. I didn't know this. I learned this recently. So you can use shift to deform this. You can use a command like this, or option, you can click on control and then click on scale if you want to, and if you want to, now you're only scaling now, or you can use warp even. So yeah, it's you can really edit this selection the way you want, in really multiple ways, so it can be very helpful. Now I can press on enter. Now I have the selection, and now if I want to move actually the image, that portion, I can, or whatever I want to do. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.